it my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously and I don't.
Ayo kita balik deh, lompat.
Ayo di itu cenawon itu. Alhamdulillah ada yang ngasih cabai, ada yang ngasih ini. Hari ini kita udah mereka, tinggal nunggu matang aja. Ini udah dua kelari sejak kita hari ini.
Duh, yang ngising nih mah. Naon dia? Dang naon? Lumpia tahu. Duh, kemarin yang lumpia tahu tuh jadi-jadi.
Iya, kemarin kan udah.
Masak apa, Bu? Mau masak apa, Bu? Oh, masak ini. Masak sayur sop ya, Bu ya? Ibu, habis ngejablay dari mana? Jam segini baru balik.